you will leave it. Yeah, I swear I'm fine, that I'm alright, but I'm barely breathing. Thought I could find my way back home, but I get lost alone. But when I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. And when I'm with you, I swear I can breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. I'm not trying to be dramatic, no. Most times I'm pretty normal. Oh, but let's be clear and honest here and do away with anything formal. I can fake it on my own, but I am lost alone. But when I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. And when I'm with you, I swear I can breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. Who I wanna be. But I am wide-eyed with a penchant for running. But how many times does it take till I find that I'm lost when I'm alone? And that's not where I belong. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. When I'm with you, I can finally breathe. When I'm with you, I swear to God, I swear to God, I'm who I wanna be. I'm who I wanna be. I'm make it alright. I hope that you can see that I would do anything for you to make it through the night. Tell me what it takes to make it alright. I hope that you can see that I would do anything. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. I'll give it all I got, give you everything. Tell me what it takes, tell me how to be there for you. Tell me what you need.